any new technology has its own set of challenges when it comes to evolution. Okay. Similarly, we as a startup, one of the pressures which is there is to be able to catch up with the expectations of the market, and as well as compete, become a best or the leading player in the market. Right. You have to be the best solution provider. Otherwise, someone starts taking the piece of pie from you. Right. So these are two things which we generally keep ourselves aware of, that our technology and solution should be the best at any moment in the market, in that geography at least, where we are mainly focused upon. And secondly, we should not run out of money. However, being able to generate, evolve into a profitable business model, that is not at all a problem. And that's where association with organizations like Grip becomes very essential in our growth journey, because then we don't have to always look for a long credit cycle or fund cycle of always looking for equity funding and diluting the founders thin and other stakeholders thin very early. Rather than, if we have a very assured business coming from large conglomerates, then support from companies like Grip becomes very essential in order to track that high speed growth. And then I think then the equity, the frequency of equity funding and all can be reduced, and we can build a more valuable and stronger organization. That also brings a financial discipline. If you have something like this, which what we are discussing with Grip, it brings a financial discipline in us, as well as it also demands us to come to a business model which is sustainable, right? Otherwise, it's not possible to support such businesses otherwise, right?
Yeah, and
so
vice
I
versa.
would say exactly. it is an encouraging factor. It's an encouraging factor for entrepreneurs like us.
And vice versa. I think companies such as yours, which are unit economic positive, profitable at a company level, have long-term contracts, clear business use cases, proven business, are exactly the ones that we are excited about partnering with.